Hi, I'm Jim Zehringer, the Director of the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, and I'm here today with Jim Stouffer, and he's the president of the Catawba Island Club. And we're at Catawba Island State Park, and today we're going to dedicate a new boat ramp. Jim, what does this mean to the community?
Well, Director, it's been here almost 75 years, and this facelift over the last 5 years has been significant to our community. Think about the quality of the fishery, think about the quality of tourism. What it means for this community is that the next generation and beyond are going to look to the lake even more to enjoy Catawba Island.
Well, Jim, you've been a great partner, and Governor Kasich has always said this is our greatest natural resource. So we're glad to do this capital improvement and the improvements to Catawba Island State Park, the new restroom that we have here. So we hope people really enjoy these improvements.
Well, I know they will, and having been here ourselves 52 years now and being so close by, I've seen all the activity through the years, a lot of families, a lot of great activity. And quite frankly, it gives me a lot of confidence about the future of Lake Erie and Northern Ohio.
Thanks,
so thank
Jim.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Brian, what does this mean for tourism here in Ottawa County?
Oh, this is huge up here. You know, we're so fortunate to have so many awesome state parks here, and especially here at Catawba with the boat ramp. You know, this area is known for fishing. We're the walleye capital of the world, and in fact, we sell more fishing licenses here in this region than any other part of the state. Over 60,000. So fishing, sport, boating, it's huge in this area.
Well, we're glad to have this project done for the fishing season in 2019, and you've been a great partner, and we hope we have a great season this year and the fishing stays good here on Lake Erie.
Absolutely. The fishing was phenomenal last year. It's projected to be even better this year. So yeah, so we're so fortunate to have such beautiful parks like this in our region up here in Lake Erie Shores and Islands. And yeah, if the weather stays like this, we should go fishing soon.
All right. Well, thank you, Brian.